So you guys must be thinking that this AI models understand our English language, but it's not true. Actually, this English words gets divided into tokens like this. You can see over here. Let's understand what are the tokens. So the tokens are nothing, just the fundamental part, like common words, ings, symbols, anything which is the smallest part, and it has some meaning like ings and symbols and on like this. We can recognize those small things, and each of those has this token IDs, because so that it can understand this words, like the input apple has this token and this ID. Now it has them it could understand the apple because this apple has token ID, and it's stored in the vocabulary table. Each AI models has its own vocabulary table. I will show you the example of it. We have this vocabulary table in which you can see the apple has this a token apple, and the number of token is 1, and it has its own ID. Now in just look at this eating and running. Eat and eat is divided into 2 ing and eat, and similarly run and ing, but just focus on this IDs. This ing has the same IDs. Okay, so it has assigned two IDs to this input. And now what is the use of it? Now you know that it has understood your English, what you mean, but now let's it would understand the actual meaning of it. Like, see, in this table, I like apple use said it split into tokens. The tokenizer does this job. These tokens are mapped to their respective IDs, so that now it has understood what you mean by this input, but still it didn't understand your meaning of the sentence, but it just understood the what words you said. Now the embedding table IDs and which now you have converted those IDs. Now it would be plotted on vectors, so that it would understand the actual meaning of it. So let's see the example of vector tables. This is vector diagram. Suppose now you have said the apple with respect to one more describing word like tech or some finance, then it would plot your like I like iPhone and all. Like if you said this, then it would be here. Like, but if you said I like Apple mobiles, then it would be somewhere here. Okay, and now if you said that the apple is sweet or else it's not sweet, then it would be somewhere here. Okay, so it would understand that you are talking about the apple fruit or else apple stock. So these are the vectors. Actually it just plot your entire word. Okay, now just see, you are running sorry, here the apple is just at this center at 0. It would get confused. Now if you said only apple to any AI model, it would ask you a question whether are you talking about stock or else the fruit. It would ask you such question, then it would get pursue, and in most of the cases it would give more priority to the apple stock because it's the most searched as compared to apple fruit. So it might give you the about more information about Apple company, but it's depend on this. And after this, it's actually similar to the inputs of voice and the images. You can see in this image in this diagram that similarly the way we discuss the tokens, text gets divided into tokens, and then the entire processes happens. Similarly, voice and the images does the same thing, but it has more extra fragmentations and the other things, because like in audio you can see this audio would get divided into its features, then it will assign particular IDs to it, and then it would get do the further processes similar to the text. Audio and the image has the extra layers of conversion of this audio format into tokens. It's really vast topic. We will cover it into later videos. You can subscribe to our channel, and that's it. Thank you for watching.